According to the Financial Times, a working group within the agency recommended on October 10 that ethanol be classified as a toxic substance due to potential cancer and reproductive health risk. The review has sparked debates across the bloc where ethanol is widely used in disinfectants and cleaning agents. The ECHA warned that ethanol could contribute to pregnancy complications and may no longer be suitable for product use extensively in healthcare and household settings. The agency's Biocidal Products Committee is scheduled to meet from November 25th to 28th to deliberate further, while ECHA confirmed ongoing assessment in a statement to Reuters. It clarified that no final determination has been made. A formal recommendation for substitution would only follow if expert evaluations confirm the health risks. The final decision rests with the European Commission, which will consider the agency's scientific advice before taking regulatory action. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization continues to list ethanol and isopropanol as safe for hand hygiene, maintaining their essential role in global public health protocols, even as the EU conducts its review.